Hello everyone, this is Riley and I'm making a special video today. As the title says, this is going to be teaching you how to get the old school Runescape client and also how to fix the Mac logging problem. Well, not really fix, just add an alternative. So the Mac logging problem is pretty much where you get to this page on your internet browser and you can't type anything in. You can hear my keyboard, nothing's showing up. So a lot of people say you can just refresh it and it will eventually fix itself, but for me that doesn't work. So the only other way I know of is to get the old RS client. And the way you do that is you first go to the Runescape website and you go to downloads. You scroll all the way down the page under community, last one to downloads. You go to the game client, the very first one, and you download it for Mac. Make sure you don't download it for Apple because I've done that a few times and it really messed me up. So once you're done with that, you can exit out of the window and you can open up this Runescape thing and you can get rid of the downloads and eventually this will pop up. I'm going to drag this onto my desktop for easy access and just close out of this. So the next step is you right click the Runescape icon, show package content, open that, double click content, and you're going to be focusing on info.plist. Now you're going to need to open it. So for most of you, all you have to do is double click it, but for me it doesn't let me for some weird reason. So the way I have to open it is open with, right click it, open with, other, and then scroll, go to Macintosh HD, applications, scroll down until I find text edit, and open it with that. And then once you do that, you can exit out of the content folder, and then you can minimize this and save it for just the next step. So after that, you got to go to this web page, which there'll be a link to it in the description, and scroll down until you find Mac, which is this. So ignore this red stuff. It's pretty much just saying that's what is the wrong stuff that you don't want, and copy this green stuff. Make sure you catch everything in green. Don't miss anything. So you copy that and you reopen this info.plist. You scroll down till you find the wrong code, which is this, and it's kind of hard to find, so the way I find it is it's the third section. So here's one section, here's two sections, and then here's the third section, and it's the very bottom one. So you're going to want to delete the whole thing, not including the strings at the end, because if you delete the strings, it closes the gap between dict and this key com.jagus or whatever, which is important, so you don't want to do that. And then between the strings, you paste. What will happen is you'll get two strings on both sides, so just make sure you delete one of them, so you have one string on both sides of the address. And once you're done with that, you can save, and you're pretty much done. So the reason I made this video was because it was kind of complicated and hard to find out how to do this based on other videos, and kind of hard to understand the talking of the people, probably just because of where they lived. But I've just made this video so it's a little bit more clear and understandable, because it was kind of hard for me to find it. So once you finish with that, you just open it and it should bring you to the old school. Now before you exit out of this video and go play some RuneScape, let me give you one little helping tip, because while you're in here, it will always work, so that's good, so it fixed the Mac logging problem, but sadly you don't have access to the world map, and I didn't really like that. So the way I get access to the world map while I'm doing this is I download it onto my desktop and I use it like that. So the way you do that is you go to your browser and go to the Runescape website and open up Old School RS like you're about to play it. So play Old School RS. Come on, play it. And then you know what to do from there. It's a little bit slow because of the recording. Yeah. So you're going to allow it. It's having some screen lag, I guess. And the cool thing about this is you don't even need to wait. You just need to open the world map, and it will take a minute to load up unless you have really good internet, because I'm recording and it's kind of slow. Did I even click it? There it is. So then, pretty much what you do is you just have this little screen, and you just click it, and it might zoom for you, and it might not, and you get this little picture that my cursor's on, and you drag it into iPhoto. Once it's in iPhoto, it will open up this screen. I don't know why that's there. And you can just drag this onto your desktop, and then from there you can just double click it. And I actually prefer this over the games version, because you have to manually zoom like this. You can't just click it, but you get this little hand, and it's like the map in EOC where you can just scroll around, and that's really nice. I really like this, and I even did this on my PC because I liked it so much. And yeah, so I hope this video helped you guys be able to play Runescape, because I had to go a few days without playing and it killed me. So yeah, comment, rate, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.